according to a distinct hierarchy, whether it comes from permanent storage, the hard drive, or input, the keyboard. Most data goes in random access memory, RAM. The computer then stores pieces of data it will need to access, often in a cache, and maintains certain special instructions in a register. Fast, powerful CPUs need quick and easy access to large amounts of data in order to maximize their performance and run smoothly. If the CPU cannot get the data it needs, it literally stops and waits for it. Therefore, to make sure every process runs quickly and smoothly, a typical computer has Level 1 and Level 2 cache, normal system RAM, and virtual memory.
The speed of the memory is measured in megahertz, or MHz, and ranges from 400 megahertz to 1000 megahertz, or 1 gigahertz, and up. Generally, you should get the fastest RAM the motherboard you choose can handle. Another measurement of RAM speed is called CAS. It's measured in nanoseconds, or ns, and comes in speeds of 3 to 5. 3 is faster, but the difference in real-world performance is very small. It's hard to recommend spending extra for CAS 3 RAM. Memory comes in the form of a stick that attaches to the computer's motherboard through a memory slot. The memory stick is actually made up of several individual memory chips that, when added up, combine to create the storage capacity of the memory stick. Memory sticks come in capacities of 128, 256, or 512 megabytes, and 1 or 2 gigabytes. For more on motherboards, see the motherboard component lesson or the installation lessons. There are currently 2 types of RAM used in computers today. The older type, found in most computers made in the last 4 years, is called DDR. The newer type, which has been around for 2 years and is just now going mainstream, is called DDR2. DDR2 is able to run at higher speeds and therefore higher bandwidths. We go into speed and bandwidth in a moment. When you buy RAM for your new computer, we recommend you get 2 sticks of DDR2 memory, 512 megabytes in size, with the same specifications, for a total of 1 gigabyte. Since most motherboards have 4 available slots to add memory, you'll have 2 more slots available for adding memory.
Most common form of output device, with virtually all PCs being equipped with one. Speakers attached to a PC act in exactly the same way as speakers attached to any stereo system. As the standard PC system becomes ever more sophisticated, more are being sold as multimedia systems, which have the capability to act as stereo, audio-visual recording and playback systems. Speakers may be self-powered with their own small amplifier built in, and they usually require a sound card to be fitted inside the computer, to which the speakers are then connected. Speech synthesizer software is able to translate written text from a file into audible speech. This has specialized uses, particularly relevant to those individuals with impaired vision, speech, or manual dexterity. Printers are used to produce paper copies of any text, numerical or graphics material processed by the PC. A plotter is a more specialized type of printer that uses computer software to control a pen moving in 2 dimensions over the paper. They are ideally suited to producing larger, more complex prints, for example, technical drawings, engineering or architectural plans and maps. Touch screens are screens, monitors or wall-mounted screens, that not only display information but can react to touch. For example, the latest generations of pub tills and cash dispensers. These and certain other devices such as modems can be classified as input-output devices. Thank you for listening to our podcast on computer output devices. For other podcasts to help you complete the European Computer Driving Licence and more information on our services, go to our website at www.logintolearn.com or call our free phone help number at 0800 953 1010.
A sort of giant iPod that controls the entire room. Swipe your mobile phone for messages, music and photographs. Edit your pictures, then send them straight to frames on the wall. Then watch the entire wall change to suit the mood of the music you have just selected. This technology extends to the children's bedroom. There are even widgets, the world's flattest flat-screen television, and on-wall games and language lessons. Its creators